Hi, good evening. This course I'm gonna be doing is the how to speak Creole. So if you out there, say if you like to speak Creole, this is the best course for you to know how to speak Creole. Common phrase, word in Creole that you can learn to speak Creole. So I'm gonna say certain word in Creole. I'm gonna say the word in Creole, and then after that I'm gonna say in English. Qui sa ou besoin? What do you need? They say qui sa ou besoin. What do you need? Qui sa qui rive ou? What happened to you? Qui sa qui rive ou? What happened to you? Qui côté li ale? Where did he go? Qui côté li ale? Where did he go? Qui la joue? How old are you? Qui la joue? How old are you? Côté où rete? Where do you live? Côté où rete? Where do you live? Est-ce que ou gen petite? Do you have any children? Est-ce que ou gen petite? Do you have any children? Côté nou ye? Where are we? Côté nou ye? Where are we? Genyen, to have. Genyen, to have. Chita, to sit. Chita, to sit. Manger, to eat. Manger, to eat. Rete, to stop. Rete, to stop. Courir, to run. Courir, to run. Coucher, to lie down. Coucher, to lie down. Vini, to come. Vini, to come. Ale, pral. Ale. You could say ale or you could say pral. To go, pral. Prale. Ale, to go. Bam. Bam. Bam, to give. Bam, to give. Rete tranquille, to be quiet. Rete tranquille, to be quiet. Pram, to get. Pram, to get or receive. Leve, to get up. Leve, to get up. Cede, to give up. Cede, to give up. Tuye, to kill. Tuye, to kill. Frappe, to hit. Frappe, to hit. Cacher, to hide. Cacher, to hide. Connaît, to know. Connaît, to know. Menti, to lie. Menti, to lie or not true. Garder, to look. Garder, to look. Couper, to cut. Couper, to cut. Quit manger. Quit manger. Faire, or we could say faire manger. To cook. Quit manger. To cook. Cook. Fumer, to smoke. Fumer, to smoke. Attaque, to attack. Attaque, to attack. Faire appel, to call. Faire appel, to call. Nettoyer, to clean. Okay, nettoyer, to clean. That's where we're gonna stop the lesson right there. So you could speak Creole very good by listening to those words, by saying those words, repeating them, and then you could learn them how to speak Creole. This is common words we use in Creole. Stay tuned for more word in Creole.